Now let's see it in action. You remember we have three different endpoints. One with anonymous, one that requires authentication, one that requires authentication plus an MFA within the last 60 seconds. So when we go to the cats dogs extension, we're able to see the first endpoint. But when we go to /dogs/ it needs authentication. So we'll go get an OAuth token. And as we do this OAuth token, it is going to provide us with an MFA validation. We can use this token, and we get the collection of dogs. But now when we go look at cats, we see the house cat for the next 45 seconds or so. So let's skip ahead in time. And now you'll see that we need authorization with MFA. And that will persist until we get a new access token or we perform an MFA event through orchestration and external code.